comet NEOWISE is now visible for a while to the unaided eye. When it became visible to unaided eye, it was in the constellation Gemini. It already had a well-developed tail and a star-like head nucleus. Over a course of a few weeks, it developed another tail, a second one. The second one, which is blue in this picture, is a dust tail. And we know this is dust because we actually had sent a spacecraft to one of these comets, and we can see, as you see in this video, there are dust and snow storms. Comets were a source of fear from the ancient times. They meant war, disease. They brought bad omen to the earth, and people believed in that. God knows how many rulers were fallen during the appearance of a comet. The ancients have described the shape of the comets for us, so we can have a good understanding. These are purely based on experience, nothing superstitious or anything. Based on the fact when a special shape of a comet appeared, certain disease or certain rulers appeared or fallen. Again say, this is not superstition. This is purely based on the cause and effect observations. For example, look at the head of these comets. You see multiple nucleus in them, multiple heads. So look carefully. Remember, we have seen this before. I will show you now. Yes, this is the head of the comet Atlas, which appeared a few months ago. The nucleus of the comet disintegrated. The ancients saw similar things. It's clear they have seen this before. They may have even had a prophecy about it. Let's see what they say. Babylonians were great observers of the stars and comets. According to the prophecies of the Babylonians, when a comet like NEOWISE appears, if it is in the northeast will be under attack. Mighty armies will come from the southwest toward the northeast. A mighty ruler will fall, will never rule again. And there will be floods in some areas and heavy drought in others. A dangerous disease will spread among the people like wildfire. And there will be body counts every day around the world. In some places there will be duality of leadership, two rulers in one land. They will fight each other to death. And there will be a new world after that. But this comes at a great cost to humanity. And you and me probably will regret why we didn't buy that nuclear bunker.